Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is a notification or you can say circular came from government of National Capital of Delhi Health and Family Welfare Department. The department is Health and Family Welfare Department, and from Health and Family Welfare Department, the government of Delhi. So the notification came right from government and is very much related to NEET PG entrance or your INICET entrance examination, which is already scheduled. So the Health and Family Welfare Department is saying that they can't grant permission to attend to appear in PG entrance examination for 2021, and is all related to unprecedented COVID pandemic situation. So in this video I will discuss what can be impact and how this notice coming from government body can impact the examination, and what is my opinion. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. In the video description you can find some important ebooks which will be very useful for you, as we are closing in for INSIT examination, and NEET PG examination will be happening after 31st of August. So you must have an idea which you are targeting. If you are targeting for deemed university or private colleges, then you must know what will be the cutoff and where are the options available for you, and what are the fee you should be ready to pay. And you can also take or avail our paid counseling services, wherein starting from the day you register with us and until the counseling process is going on, we will be with you, and we will guide you in the counseling process, and based on your all the criteria and all preferences. So coming back to our topic, see, the examination date is already announced for INICET, that is 22nd of July, and examination for NEET PG 2021 will be happening in month of September, as we are getting to know from all the experts. And PMI is the body who gave the date that examination will be happening after 31st of August, and PMI is the only body, because it's the supreme body, can cancel its decision or can change its decision for the examination date. So in middle of this, government of Delhi Human and Family Welfare Department saying that in a view of unprecedented COVID pandemic condition warranting optimum leveraging of all possible medical resources to deal with the crisis in the COVID pandemic situation, which is under control now, and people are even talking about third wave, and they are stressing on the point they need to have uh, all the possible medical resources available to deal with the upcoming, which is not sure but kind of expectation. In the larger public interest, permission to appear in PG entrance examination, the point to be noted here, permission to appear in PG entrance examination, it is for NEET PG and INICET as well, or any other postgraduate entrance examination, is for entrance examination, may not be exceeded to medical officers or non-teaching specialties in in Health and Family Welfare Department. So they are not granting permission for the medical officer or non-teaching specialties working there in Health and Family Welfare Department to appear in 2021 PG entrance examination. Accordingly, concerned head of department, so they are giving a direction to concerned head of department not to advise forwarding request for granting permission to appear in PG entrance examination. This is being issued with prior approval of all the competent authorities. After discussion with all the competent authorities, they have issued this circular, and it came from O.B. Pandey, Deputy Secretary HR Medical. So these two things are contradicting. one body has taken decision, and Supreme Court was involved, because Supreme Court was the body said that the examination can't happen on the given date for NEET INICT, and the next examination date was given. Now another body, government from India, government from Delhi, is saying that they won't allow their staff or their resources to appear in any PG entrance examination. So these two things are contradicting, and I believe PMO or higher authority, health ministry, should intervene in this matter and allow all eligible candidates who have registered for INICT and have registered application for NEET PG 2021 should be allowed in any circumstances to appear in the examination. This is the right time, because we have now control over COVID second wave, and we are just talking about third wave. It's not sure at all and when it's going to come. They are giving different months. Few are saying it will come in the next year, few are saying in October, few are saying in it may come in August. So I am not sure about that, but education should not get hampered. Even PMO said that the examination will be happening, we can conduct it after 31st of August. So another smaller body, government of Delhi, should not intervene in between, and they should be given, all the state bodies should be given right direction that you can't make any circular like this. Exam must happen. And see, from last 1.5 years we have been going through this situation, and everyone is facing difficulty and hard times due to COVID pandemic. But we have to manage all the things. Delay is acceptable, but not allowing to appear in the PG entrance exam is just playing with the fate of those staffs who are working there, medical officers and non-teaching, special teaching. So that's update from my side. If you have any kind of comments on this video, you are open to put your comment. And if you want any kind of like a specific video where you need information about the related to counseling process for particular state, for particular counseling like DNB deemed, or because I have posted a lot of videos already, and you can go through it, you will get and we keep on posting all the relevant updates like this. So that's it from our side, and all the best wishes for you for INICT entrance examination, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.